Hey guys, this is Philips Tab 8000 series. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this with aux cable provided. So if you take this cable, connect one end to your phone, then take this end, connect it to this port, then you select any particular music you have on your phone. So we want to test the audio using upbeat sound, then you select and you can see the Bluetooth light is highlighting, looking for available Bluetooth. But we connected this with aux cable. If you remove the cable, the audio will stop. Then once you put the cable, the audio will start. So we connected this with aux cable. If you want to control the equalizer and the features, then you need to connect this via Bluetooth. If you go to your phone settings, switch Bluetooth on, select Philips TAH8506. So if you want to connect it to the Bluetooth, then you need to remove the aux cable. Once you remove the aux cable, then you go to your phone settings and you can see it's connected for audio. You can see Philips connected via Bluetooth. Then you go back. If you put the aux cable and it will tell you Bluetooth disconnected. Then if you go to the Philips headphones app, the app can only work with Bluetooth. If we remove the headphones, Bluetooth connected, then you select connect to the app and you can see. So the app is getting ready. So if you connect it aux cable, then connect it to Bluetooth, it will not work. But if you want to control the equalizer, etc., then you need to connect this headphone via Bluetooth. So we're going to also show you how to connect this via the laptop using aux cable. So if you take the aux cable, the smaller size, go to the headphones, take the other end, go to your laptop, headphones section, go to the laptop, headphones, then you select OK. We're going to test the audio using upbeat sound. Then you select the audio. Here we go. So this is connected using aux cable. If you remove the cable, the audio will stop. If you put the cable back, the audio will start. If you want to control the equalizer, active noise cancelling, you can also switch it on from this button. Awareness, ANC on. So you control all the features, awareness, ANC from this button. This is voice assistance. You switch this on and off from this button. So this is how to connect this using aux cable. But if you want to control the equalizer, then you need to remove the aux cable. Once you remove the aux cable, then you connect it via Bluetooth. Now it's looking for available Bluetooth device and it's connected to the phone. If you go to the phone, it will show you Philips TAH8506 series is connected to the mobile phone via Bluetooth. You can also connect it to the laptop via Bluetooth. Switch laptop Bluetooth on and it's connected. It's connected to the laptop. This is the audio. So this is from the laptop via Bluetooth. This audio is from the laptop. So this is how to connect this headphone to your phone using aux cable. Likewise to the laptop using aux cable. Thank you very much indeed and stay blessed. Thank you.